Just had the oil changed on the Blackstone Adventure Ready van. We're filling up the water tanks. Let's give it a try. We had a great time on our Snake River scenic rafting trip. You know, it's time to break out the Huckleberry apron, and Natalie's joining me with her chocolate mousse apron because we are gonna make wild Huckleberry pancakes. This beautiful ribbon isn't opening, so I either need a dainty hand or my good old knife. Open! Open! Oh, that was easy. All right, here we go. So we have our pancake batter mix and our actual Wyoming dried huckleberries. Looking at the instructions, we start with the pancake mix. 2 cups of cold water per the instruction. Here we go. The dried huckleberries, and these are real huckleberries. If you guys have never had a huckleberry, they are a lot smaller than blueberries, and of course they are spectacular. Just take a look at those huckleberries. These are real dried huckleberries. Oh yeah, it just feels good rolling off the hands. Ooh, smell good? Blackstone non-stick griddle spray. So hard to tell you where to have your temperature. I'm only running a 1-burner griddle here today, a 17-incher. So obviously, you know, a lot less BTUs being generated than a big old 46-inch griddle. So generally, you want to have your griddle top to where it's about 375 minimum, 375 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe up to 400 degrees or so. So let's go down with the griddle spray. This works perfect for crepes, French toast, and pancakes. And I'll drop that batter straight down on the griddle top. I can immediately hear that sizzle, which is exactly what I want. I'm gonna start testing the pancakes. They look perfect. You see those bubbles around the edges. As long as you can get that pancake to start to come up on your spatula, you know it's time to flip. Just like that. And in for the second pancake. Let's make a few more to go with our big old stack here. Wild Wyoming Huckleberry pancakes. Did I mention that I like huckleberries? When I was a kid, I used to watch a cartoon called Huckleberry Hound. Anybody remember Huckleberry Hound?
I say Huckle, you say Berry. Huckle.
Berry!
Huckle.
Berry! When I say Huckle, you say Berry. Huckle! Come on! She left me!
I'm hungry for pancakes.
And here we go, continuing flipping the Huckleberry pancakes. Ooh. Oh yeah, look at that one. That one looks perfecto. Continuing with our perfect stack over here. How does that look? Delicious! Ooh, that's hot. Oh yeah. So this is the crew for today. Of course, we're up here having a good time. The Blackstone van only holds 3 of us kids, and of course me, so 4 of us total. My wife and the other 3 kids are at home. So we have today Hannah behind the camera. We have Natalie, who is my Huckleberry rapper, and Jesse. I call him J-Pup, J-Dog, wild huckleberry syrup. Here we go. Now we can take a look at that. Here we go, let's give it a try. We're gonna see if we can get that perfect stack out of there. And it literally looks like a magazine cover right there. Alrighty, everybody. I think now we're ready to give it a try.
How do you cut this?
I don't know. How do you cut this?
It's falling apart.
Oh, baby. You have huckleberries. You can't mistake the flavor. Oh, nothing like a blueberry. Oh, nothing like a blueberry.
Give it a try.
Those dried huckleberries, once they got hydrated with the water, they literally taste almost exactly like a fresh huckleberry. Whoops, like a fresh huckleberry. This is so good. These are delicious. Man, take your Blackstone griddle, head out into the great outdoors. They are adventure ready. So until next time, everybody, I appreciate you watching. Praise the Lord and pass
Huckleberry pancakes.
the Huckleberry pancakes.